Hi again everyone, it's craft video day again today. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an origami puppy dog. We're doing dirt for dog. You will need a piece of paper and scissors, and you'll also need some pencils. Now, for any origami you actually need a square. So first thing I'm going to do is turn this into a square. I'm going to start in the very top corner and I'm going to fold it over to make a triangle at the top. So your paper will look like this. Then all I need to do is cut this part off the bottom. And there we go. This part we don't need. We've got our folded part here. So first step is to have it this way, pointy side down, folded side at the top. And then we are going to fold it in half this way. So we match up our corners, make sure it's there, squish it all down, okay, and open it back up. This line in the middle is going to help us fold the ears, so it is important. So to fold down my ears, I'm going to take one corner and I'm going to fold it down from that middle part there and squish it down. So it hangs off the edge a little bit, just like that. Super easy. Alright, going to do the same thing on the other side to make the other ear. If you're making this yourself, it might be easier to make it up in the, on the table. You get better fold lines. I'm just doing it up here so you can see. Doesn't matter if the ears aren't exactly the same, it's all good. So I've got my two ears. Now I'm going to turn it over to the back. And I'm going to fold this little pointy bit down. Just a little bit, just to make the top nice and straight, so just like that. You can put a bit of sticky tape if you would like to keep it there straight, but you don't really need to. Alright, nearly there guys. Turning it back to the front, and I'm going to fold up this little bit at the bottom, and I'm going to fold it backwards, so back towards my face. There we go, squish it down. Here we go, looking more like a dog. Alright, last thing you need to do is to decorate. I'm going to use a texture to show you so it's easier to see. First thing I'm going to do is draw some eyes. One eye, two eyes. There are my eyes. One on each side of that folded line. Then I'm going to draw a nose, which is kind of a triangle shape. I'm going to colour it in. Nose. Last thing is the little mouth. So we make a little hook here. I'm going to try and do it this way so you can see. So we start in the middle and we come out like this. See how it's a hook? And then we do the same thing on the other side. There's a hook. And you can put on some little dots so they look like whiskers. Okay? And there is my origami dog. Good luck!